What's going on, everybody? YouTube, what's going on? Back here with another unboxing. This unboxing here, it's a little unique, all right? So last week, if you checked out my other video, we did an unboxing of the Alpinestars Tech Air 5 inflatable vest. So this week, all right, we got something what I consider to be unique. And the reason I say that is because on YouTube, every helmet I've seen of the Shoei GT-Air 2, I've only seen solid colors, black, blue, gray, and I might have seen a red and black. That's about it, all right? So basically what I wanted to do was find a helmet that would match my Superduke GT. All right, so once we're done with this unboxing, in the comment section, I want you to tell me, what do you think about this helmet? All right, let's get it going. I like to keep these videos short and sweet. All right, Shoei helmet. GT-Air 2, Bonafide TC-8, and yes, I'm a size small. Comes with the pin lock system. All right, thank you, Shoei, appreciate it. All right. We want to reduce the fogging in our helmet on our shield. Manual, stickers. All right. The tool, it won't move. Anyway, this is the tool for the internal shield to remove it. You're also going to use that tool to install your Cena SRL2 communication system if you decide to go that route. All right, and we also have the top, what I consider to be the breath deflector. All right, let's get to it. Wow. I wish you guys could actually see what I see in the reflection. This helmet is really, really nice. The pictures online do it no justice. Even the pictures that belong to Shoei that are on their website do this helmet no justice at all. Take a look at that. And like I said before, the reason I'm doing this unboxing is because this is a totally different color. All right, different paint scheme. I'm seeing a lot of solids, seeing maybe a blue and a black, but that's about it. In the comment section, once again, tell me, what do you think? All right, we're not shopping for the RC-8. All right, we're gonna come back with another unboxing for that. Maybe a couple of weeks, couple of months from now, I'm not sure yet. All right, we're gonna go with an X14. But for the GT-Air, for the Superduke, we picked up the GT-Air 2. Look at that. What do you guys think? You like it? Let me know. We'll put that back in the box. I'm not really going to do an unboxing on the next item, but I just wanted to tell you guys about it. All right? I own the Cena 20S headset dual pack. All right, but there was no way in the world I was going to use double-sided tape on my brand new helmet, fresh, nice looking helmet, to hold the 20S on there. I wasn't going to do that. All right? Saved up a few more pennies, picked up the SRL2. All right? I'm going to install this in my new helmet, and I'm going to ride out with it. All right? Not, like I said, I'm not going to unbox this, not going to show you how to install this. Revzilla, Sport Bike Track Gears, and many other places. Those guys, Champion Helmets, a lot of those guys have done an excellent job on showing you how to install this. All right, I just wanted to show you the helmet, and I just wanted to know what you guys think, if you think the new helmet matches the bike well. All right, that's it for me. Peace.